So when you've installed BetAngel, an icon will appear somewhere on the screen. I've put it conveniently in the middle of the screen here, but yours could appear anywhere. So you can either run BetAngel from the Start menu, however you've got it set up in Windows 8, or via the icon on the desktop. So if we click on the desktop icon, this will bring up the dialog box that we start with BetAngel, and I'll describe a number of the options that you see on here. You can ignore the interactive login unless if you're a Danish user and you need to use NemID. Up here you would put your Betfair username and password. We do not store this information. This is used to send to Betfair in an encrypted format, so we have no ability to log into your account in any way whatsoever. That's just there for you to log into Betfair. You have to log into Betfair somehow. The screen layout features that you'll use once you've started using BetAngel, because you can basically design and save a layout on BetAngel, so you can configure it any way you like, and then the settings and the screen layout will be saved, and you can restore them at will, either when you log on or when you're using the product. So you don't have to touch those when you first use the product, they just set to the factory defaults. You may want to log in via practice mode. You can log in via live mode, where you use real money, or practice mode, where you use pretend money. Basically, the software acts exactly the same way that you would if you were using live money, but you have no money at risk, and it's great for testing things, exploring strategies, or just generally having a good play about with all of the features of BetAngel. You have to read the risk notice and confirm that you've read the risk notice. You also have to accept the Betfair terms and conditions. Once you've ticked these boxes, they remain that way. You don't have to do it again and again. You only have to do this once. And it's up to you if you want it to remember your username. But basically, you would log in with your Betfair username. I'm going to use a fake one here called my Betfair username. You would type in your password. If you're using two-step authentication, you need to append that code to the end of your password. But basically, once you've got this up, the key things to remember: tick the right boxes, select live or practice mode, enter your details, and then click login.